is making the switch to electric, and Novuna is here to help along the road. So we've gathered some experts to talk all things EV. Ever wondered what happens if?
In the unlikely event that you run out of charge or break down in your electric vehicle, the RAC has your back. What breakdown solutions are available?
We can attend one of your vehicles with our patrol force. We can fix 4 out of 5 vehicles at the side of the road.
What about if you run out of charge?
So if you run out of charge, at RAC we have a unique EV boost system. This allows our patrols to basically have a fuel can of electricity, so we can add some electric power to your vehicle at the side of the road without having to visit a charging point.
What about if the problem can't be fixed at the roadside?
In the unlikely event that we can't actually fix that vehicle at the side of the road, our patrol force has a all wheels up recovery system. This is like a mini flatbed, so it allows us to recover the vehicle from the side of the road with all 4 wheels off the ground.
And there you have it, RAC giving you total peace of mind.
Stay tuned to find out more tips and tricks to making the switch to sustainable electric travel with Novuna Vehicle Solutions.